The labourer's nowhere to be seen today, so I'm just going to have to do it myself. I'm going to have to take that roll, one of many rolls here, and cook up a storm, a nice 2-in-1, joint and mix for a patio. So I've got a griller bucket there, that's very helpful, and I've got them sitting on the 2 hop-ups to save it back, top tip there. I've got a bucket for the sand, but actually I'll be using that little one to measure up. It's a lot easier to deal with in small amounts. And we've got a bucket of water. Perfection. Oh yeah, and we've got the cement just around the side there to also measure with that. It's all going in that yellow bucket. So first of all, put your sand in, one of these, straight in there. Then you want the cement on top. Fill that out. You've got to be exact to get the right colour match, otherwise it will just be all patchy throughout your patio. So chuck that on top, like that. You give that a little mix up. That's why you want the griller bucket. Nice even mix. Still got one more sand to go. Here we've got the other sand. Chuck it on top, like so. Give that a good mix. Tilt it over. Just mix it up dry first. Makes it a lot easier, especially on the wrists. Why the griller bucket is a tool to have. And look at these hop-ups. I'm not breaking my back, I'm not bending over. Looks like a good mix so far. Got the water. Be very careful now. Don't pour too much. Don't pour loads at the start. So I'll start with that. You want this mix to be fairly dry, so it doesn't mark the slabs. Still needs more water. Still at the bottom, that's not mixed. Make sure you get it all through like that. And that looks fairly good. Perfect.